I'm Leia de la Cruz, 49 years old, with two daughters aged 24 and 21 years old, and currently I'm here in the Philippines right now. I worked in Hong Kong for almost 10 years. With my last employer, I worked for them for 6 years. And my main job is to take care of a newborn baby and a little boy. For me, taking care of a newborn baby is a very tough job. But for me, it's very fulfilling if I can do and take care of the baby very well. Because that's my passion. I love children. Aside from that, when they go to school, I help them to do their take-home homework, especially in math and English. I also do the cooking, marketing, cleaning, and washing the clothes. For me, I want to go back to Hong Kong because I miss Hong Kong very much, and I want also to save money for my future. I'm already 49 years old, but I think and I'm very sure that I can still do the job 100%, and I'm still physically fit, and I just love going back to Hong Kong. Thank you.